Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. The death toll due to COVID-19 in Jammu and Kashmir rose to 36 as a woman died at a hospital in Srinagar. The woman, a resident of Batmalu area of Srinagar city, died at SHMS hospital on Thursday and her samples came back positive for COVID-19, they said. According to the officials, the woman was brought to the hospital on Thursday morning and had many underlying ailments including pneumonia. An Indian Army soldier from Tamil Nadu was martyred in the ceasefire violation by Pakistan on the line of control in Sundarbani sector of Rajouri district in Jammu and Kashmir late on Thursday, officials said on Friday. Havaldar Matyaza Khan P died in the shelling on Thursday night and said he belonged to Sirangai Kaddu village in Tamil Nadu's Salem district. Kalakot operation was called off in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir on Friday after the elimination of an unidentified terrorist and recovery of large quantity of arms and ammunition, including Pakistan-made anti-personnel mines. The area has been cordoned off and the body of the slain militant has been shifted to GMC Rajouri. An AK-47 rifle, 3 magazines, 58 ammunition of AK-47, 4 Chinese hand grenades, 4 anti-personnel mines, 1 pouch, 4 detonators among others were recovered.
सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस ने जॉइंट सर्च ऑपरेशन लॉन्च किया था। एक्सचेंज ऑफ फायर में एक टेररिस्ट मारा गया है। आर्म्स एंड
Shri Amarnath Shrine Board performed Pratham Pujan of Baba Amarnath with religious fervour here in its Jammu office on Friday. The administration informed that no decision has been taken yet on starting Amarnath Yatra as the country is grappling with the coronavirus pandemic. The board conducts this puja every year as it signifies the commencement of the annual pilgrimage to the 3,880-meter high cave shrine of Shri Amarnath. The Ministry of Finance on Friday said that no new schemes should be initiated this year except those announced under special packages. The order comes amid the coronavirus crisis in the country. The ministry stated that the new order is applicable for those schemes as well as for which in principle approval has already been given by the Department of Expenditure. Jammu and Kashmir Bank has announced PO and Banking Associate recruitment. The recruitment is open for the candidates who are a domicile of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The online registration for the recruitment will begin from June 20th, 2020. J&K Bank has announced 350 vacancies for probationary officer post and 1500 vacancies for banking associate post. The bank will release detailed notification ahead of the registration process. On World Environment Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday urged citizens to ensure that the flora and fauna thrive and take a pledge to preserve our planet's rich biodiversity. The Prime Minister also said that water conservation, in particular the conservation of rainwater, is essential and exhorted everyone to strive for saving rainwater in the upcoming monsoon. 15 days should be enough time for states to send migrant workers stranded in cities across the country since the imposition of nationwide lockdown, the Supreme Court said on Friday. The top court also asked all states to create employment opportunities for migrants returning home. The hearing comes days after the top court took suo motu cognizance of the issues and passed several orders to help migrants reach home. The centre said over 4,200 Shramik special trains have been run till June 3rd to transport 1 crore migrant workers to their homes across the country. India saw a record single-day jump of 9,851 coronavirus cases and 273 deaths on Friday, pushing the nationwide infection tally to 2,26,770 and the death toll to 6,348. The number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 1,10,960, while 1,09,461 people have recovered and 1 patient has migrated. Around 48.27% patients have recovered so far. Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2020 postponed due to the coronavirus pandemic will be held on October 4th, the Union Public Service Commission announced on Friday. It also said the personality test of the candidates selected through the last year's Civil Services Preliminary and Mains will resume from July 20th. This year's preliminary test was earlier scheduled to be held on May 31st, but was deferred due to the nationwide lockdown to contain the spread of coronavirus.